Wi-Fi Hotspot. Mobile Hotspot is a convenient Android application that enables users to transform their mobile devices into portable Wi-Fi hotspots. This app allows smartphones and tablets to share their cellular data connection with other devices, such as laptops, tablets, and other smartphones, providing internet access wherever there is mobile data. The application typically features a user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to activate the hotspot and manage connected devices. Users can customize the hotspot settings, including the network name, SSID, and password, ensuring secure and controlled access. In addition to basic hotspot functionalities, the app may offer data usage tracking, enabling users to monitor their data consumption and manage connections effectively. Overall, Wi-Fi Hotspot Mobile Hotspot serves as a practical solution for those needing internet connectivity on multiple devices while on the go, enhancing connectivity and convenience in various situations.